guys! Yay! Oh wow, dude! I can't express my happiness. सूरज को देखो तो चांद याद आया. हायाबुसा.
Hey guys, welcome to the Sunday, Saturday, whatever, right? My earphone, my phone, उनका phone. चाबी कहाँ है भाई? Where's the key? अरे I forgot the key, dude. चाबी कहाँ है? चाबी कहाँ है? Going. Get going, guys. Not on this bike. On our bike. This is my new.
क्या कर रहे हैं यार तू?
Royal Enfield V3 jacket.
मैं तो कुछ और ही समझ रहा था.
This is the first time I'm wearing a jacket, and that is also a Royal Enfield V3 jacket. Armor's here, armor's here, armor's here. 6:30 already. 6:22. Yes, it's a Royal Enfield V3. I'm wearing it with a winter gear, and I already started to feel the heat. But anyways, it feels so protective. It feels like someone is hugging you. By the way, it feels like someone is hugging you. And I hope and I wish that I see the sunrise from my own eyes. Wow, ये तो पोएम बन गया.
ये जो दिल में कयाम करते हैं यही जीना हराम करते हैं.
White headlamps. I had installed that thinking that one day I'll go on a longer ride, but I don't know when the day comes. हेडलैम्प्स का यूज करने का मौका ही नहीं मिला यार मुझे. Off-road. Guys, we are in Leh Ladakh. We are not in Navi Mumbai. We are in Leh Ladakh, guys.
ऐसे कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया, मतलब कुछ भी.
So we have reached the highway, guys. Lovely highway. Why to go on a weekend? I mean, why to go on a ride on a weekend? Because you meet the community. You meet the bikers community, bro. And looking at them inspires you to keep continuing bike rides. So you should go on a ride every week at least. I mean, if not every week, every couple of weeks. हर 15 दिन में जाओ यार, थोड़ा सा लाइफ एंजॉय करो. कितना कॉर्पोरेट स्लेव बन के रहोगे.
लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करो यार.
ऐसे जाना था तो आया ही क्या. Lovely fog. What? See the fog. Wow. So fabulous. So nice. So nice, guys. Yay!
लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए. महाकाल का धमाके लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए. 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए.
Okay. Keep the level a little down, dude.
कंट्रोल.
I shouted too loud. It went into my ears, dude. My own voice went into my ears.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
Michael, guys. Ooh! Look at the fog. Wow. This is why I like morning rides. Morning, weekend. What a combination. What a combination.
Few inches later.
Wow, man. Wow. What am I seeing from my eyes, dude? What am I seeing? What road is this? What road is it, dude? Damn. I can't see the mountains. I can't see the roads.
मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा बाबा.
Wow. So nice.
उड़ना चाहूं यहाँ
what is this road? What is this road?
ये अभी ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, मैं बोला है ना, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।
Man, what is this road? I mean, क्या man? So cold man, what? माँ मुझे कुछ दिखाई के नहीं दे रहा, माँ वो वाला। Oh dude, look at that building. There's a building over here. I can't see the building, dude. My God, it could be around 10 meters, 10 to 15 meters, and I can't see the road. I mean, I can't see the structures. Oh wow, dude. I can't express my happiness. पता नहीं कश्मीर में क्या होगा, I mean लेह लद्दाख में क्या होगा. My God. Wow, lovely. I went through the same road last time, but in the afternoon, so you can see the difference. See the fog, and now I'll play the older video. Oh, look at the exhaust, dude. Karnataka. This guy has come from Karnataka. Ooh, see that? Did you see that, guys? 650. It's a 650, guys.
मुझे कोई एक बार भी ला दे बस, ये मेरी ख्वाहिश है, मेरी मरने से पहले ख्वाहिश है.
Wow, dude. I mean, who could be more happier than me right now? Who could be more happier than me right now on this road, in this area? Just can't express my happiness, dude. I mean, पूरे हफ्ते की थकान मिट गई भाई.
मजा आया।
Just now I saw there was some. Oh wow, dude! Now I feel the importance of having the dual indicators. Now I feel I should install them right now. Not right now, but ooh, dude! Damn, dude! It was a close call.
मौत को छू के टक से भागे.
I should keep my speed limit. I really can't see, dude. मैंने सोचा था कि भाई 100-120 पे भगाऊंगा, लेकिन ये कैसे भागेगी गाड़ी. I really need to lower my happiness and keep calm and ride, dude. तो लेह लद्दाख में क्या होगा तेरा हाल? Be calm, dude. Be calm. Wow, inspires me. This inspires me, guys. Woo! 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 Lovely. देख कुछ सीख इनसे. देख
ढीले, जरा डीजल डाल, ये लोड कर, जरा स्क्रू ड्राइवर दे रे.
वाह, लवली. बेटा कुछ सीख इनसे. अरे भाई,
सुनाई दे रहा है, बेरा नहीं हूं मैं.
it was a good choice to buy this jacket because it comes with a winter liner, and I feel it right now the importance of having a winter liner. At least in the winter season, you must have a winter liner. It is a must to have a winter liner. Otherwise, I can feel because this is not a winter gloves. This is not normal city gloves. So I can feel the cold in my hands, but not in the upper body. And I can also feel the cold breezes in my legs. So in the lower part of the body, I can feel them. But okay, चलेगा. थोड़ा करके लेंगे. Baby steps.
Few inches later.
Ooh, Meteor 650.
Oh God, एक बार दिला दे.
Lovely bikes. at the rides. One day for sure I'm going to buy Meteor 650. One day for sure. If things go well, hope so, hope so.
गद्दारी कर बे तोरी बहन गद्दारी कर बे
Just keep up the hope, dude. Hopes पे दुनिया कायम है, वरना सब मर गए होते. Hey dude, did you see that? He has the same jacket as mine. Woo! Royal Enfield, Royal Enfield. Bye bye. Tell me again. I forgot I need to go to Lonavala. I was going to Matheran again. Just appreciating the bikes of other people. देख रहे हैं विनोद? देख रहे हैं?
गद्दारी कर बे तोरी बहन गद्दारी कर बे
Few inches later.
Wow, man. It's a new day. It's a beautiful day. Ooh. I really can't see anything. क्या सोचा था कि भाई 120 की स्पीड में दौड़ाएंगे, सनराइज देखेंगे. क्या ये फॉग दिख गया? एक्सपेक्टेशन, एक्सपेक्ट द अनएक्सपेक्टेड गाइस, एक्सपेक्ट द अनएक्सपेक्टेड. Wow, when will the day come when I also go on a ride with my... Look at the sun, dude. It's semi-circle. Semi-circle. तो सूरज लागे जुबानियाँ तेरी के भी लागे ना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया.
वो खुद 8 बरस का हो गया है, लेकिन उसका दिमाग 2-2.5 साल की बच्ची जितना है.
इसको देखो क्या दिख रहा है. वाह. इसी यहीं से मैं शायरी बोलता हूँ. सूरज को देखो तो चांद याद आया, सूरज को देखा तो चांद याद आया, चांद को देखा तो सूरज याद आया.
वेल डन. तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए.
ओ शायरी छोड़ो यार, ये देखो. व्हाट अ लवली सन. The creature in the solar system which lights up every day just to lit your lives, and you are here sitting at homes watching my video. Go on a ride, dude. Have a life. Guys, look at the birds. I hope it is coming in the camera. Look at the sky. Look at the birds, how they are flying.
I'm a bird.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. I know it costs my petrol to do nothing and go on a longer ride like this. Whatever, dude. Adrenaline, dopamine तो fix हो रहा है ना. At least it's fixing my dopamine. When will the day arrive when me with my humsafar going on a ride on another bike?
गद्दारी कर बे
What a view, guys. इसका फोटो तो लेना बनता है. ये कहाँ आ गए हम, तेरे साथ साथ चलते. It's the ritual to wait at the spot and see the vehicles. Hayabusa! Lovely, lovely, lovely. What more is to come? What more is to come there?
इतनी खुशी
Whatever bike, please come. Waiting, eagerly waiting. क्या सूरज है, वाह, क्या सूरज है गाइस.
ले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से.
वाह 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 वाह. Kawasaki. What does it take to be a biker like them?
क्या रे भिख मंगिया, क्या देख रहा है?
ऐसा लगता है थोड़ी देर बैठ ही जाऊं इनके साथ.
प्यार करना, अरे तेरी औकात से बाहर है.
Few inches later.
What is that heaven? Excuse me, एक फोटो लोगे क्या मेरा?
बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो.
12 seconds later.
फोटो लोगे क्या? ये व्यू से ये आना. हेलमेट पहन के. हाँ हेलमेट पहन के. Shooting 44. Let's start another part of the ride.
चाहूं यहाँ मंजिल है मेरी.